Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read up to 5 times faster in less than 5 minutes. In fact, I'm going to get a timer to start right now. So this is something I learned on a speed reading course about 6 or 7 years ago. So it's not new, but 99% of you should be able to double your reading speed instantly, and of that 99%, 10% will be able to multiply your reading speed fivefold, up to a reading rate of 1,000 words per minute and beyond, all whilst retaining comprehension. For those who aren't there but want to get to 1,000 words per minute, you just need to keep doing it, and as most things, the more you practice, the better you get. So I hope you can watch the rest of the video and try it yourself. Hopefully you'll find it a worthwhile investment of 5 minutes that you can use for the rest of your life. So just quickly, the reason this works is because most of us have learnt to read phonetically. This means we read out the sentences in our head, which is slow and limits reading speed. However, if we read with just our eyes, this is much faster. It's like riding a two-wheel bike. You have to get to a certain speed for it to work. This is difficult to do with paper-based reading, but using technology, if you can copy and paste the text on a computer or smartphone, then this will work. This may make no sense right now, but just watch the rest of the video and try it for yourself. Anyway, let's get on with the video, and if you do get value, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now here is the website I want to show you. It's called ready.asagroup.ru. And it's a free Google Chrome extension, so it plugs into Chrome. It only works with Chrome. So you go to the website and you click on this. It also works on Android, as you can see. Just click on it and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can download and install it. So just add to Chrome, add extension, and it is done. It appears as a little panda. So you click on that. I'm just going to pin it so I can see it. And then what you do is you go to your website where you want to read your text. So I'm going to go to my favorite site for reading news, BBC, and you click on the text. And there may be a better way to do this, but you essentially just highlight the text, you click on Ready, and you just go launch. And what it does, it puts a whole lot, and you can choose. So average person says 200 words per minute, which is really slow. I can actually, for most articles, read 1,000. Can't do 1,000 for everything, but for something like this, I reckon I could. And then you just hit the play button. And that's it. So I don't know if that comes across in the video. I don't know if the speed can capture everything, but I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, you can actually make out what's. It does take a little bit of training sometimes if you're going fast. If I wind it down to 500, that will be definitely double speed for most people. You could definitely read it. Yeah, so let's start from the beginning. So if you focus on the red, it should be quite easy to read. So just by going to 500 and press and play, if you're an average reader, you would have doubled your speed, assuming you're 250. And if you're below that 200, then yeah, that's quite good, isn't it? So that's it really. Just wanted to show you this, and yeah, give it a try and let me know what you think.